Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install Python app on Windows. Firstly, go to the official Python website and download the Windows installer for modern hardware. Once the installer is downloaded, double-click to run it. Make sure to check the box labeled Add Python to Path during installation. This makes it easier to run Python directly from the command prompt. Now, just click Install Now to proceed. The installer will set up Python and required libraries. Once the installation is complete, exit the installer. Open the command prompt, press Windows plus R, then type cmd and press Enter. Type Python and press Enter. This should start Python REPL, read eval print loop, allowing you to enter Python commands interactively. Now you're ready to start programming with Python. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.